Hey guys, today I'll be teaching you how to put the AI anime filter on your TikTok videos in CapCut. This tutorial is surprisingly easy and short, so watch till the end. The first step is tapping and opening CapCut. After that, you'll want to choose a video or photo to edit. Once you're here, click on the video and tap on the little icon that says Style. This tab will open a ton of effects which you can use freely unless it says the word Pro on it. That's for users who paid for CapCut Pro. Don't worry about paying anything. The AI Manga filter is completely free and anyone can use it. Find the manga effect and click on it. There are 4 different anime effects you can choose. You'll have to wait a few seconds and you'll be good to go. See, it's that simple. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.